Well, we have seen these words in their dictionary form. Now let's put some of them into sentences. You will see different ending variations depending on the context the noun has in the sentence and also from other words which affect it. So first, let's take a look at the sentences and then show which case the noun falls under so we can get familiar with the changes. Cat is Maćka. The cat is sleeping on the couch. Maćka spava na kauču. Maćka is in the nominative case. I love my cat because she is so affectionate. Volim svoju mačku jer je tako umiljata. This time Maćka is in the accusative case and becomes Mačku. Dog is pas. The dog is happy while running in the meadow. Pas je veseo dok trči po livadi. Pas is in the nominative case. My neighbours have a beautiful black dog. Moji susjedi imaju prekrasnog crnog psa. Pas or psa is in the accusative case, animate form. Bird is ptica. These birds migrate every year towards warmer regions. Ove ptice migrirajú svake godine prema toplijem krajevima. Ptica, or the plural ptice, is in the nominative case. In the park, one can see many different species of birds. U parku se mogu vidjeti mnoge različite vrste ptica. Ptice is plural, and ptica is in the genitive case. Rabbit is kunic, and hare is zec. In Croatia, though, zec is commonly used to refer to rabbits as well, for example, as a pet. The rabbit is running through a field of flowers. Zec trči kroz polje puno cvijeća. Zec is in the nominative case. Children are feeding the rabbits carrots and lettuce at the zoo. Djeca hrane zečeve mrkvom i zeljem u zoološkom vrtu. Zečeve is plural and in the accusative case. Mouse is miš. The mouse is scampering across the floor. Miš skakuće po podu. Miš is in the nominative case. Children are feeding the mice crumbs from their hands. Djeca hrane miševe mrvicama iz svojih ruku. Miševe is plural and in the accusative case. Horse is kon. The horse is trotting slowly through the forest. Kon jehače polako kroz šumu. Kon is in the nominative case. My sister loves to ride a black horse every weekend. Moja sestra voli jahati crnog konja svakog vikenda. Kon is in the accusative case, animate form, so becomes konja. Cow is krava. The cow stands calmly in the field while chewing grass. Krava mirno stoji u polju dok žvače travu. Krava is in the nominative case. There are 10 cows on the farm that give milk every day. Na farmi ima 10 krava koje daju mlijeko svaki dan. Krave is plural and krava is in the genitive case. Sheep is ovca. The sheep peacefully graze on the hill next to the farm. Ovce mirno pasu na brdu pored farme. Ovce is plural and in the nominative case. The shepherd watches over the flock of sheep as they move towards the barn. Pastir čuva stado ovaca dok se kreću prema štali. Ovce is plural and in the genitive case, and here we can see the appearance of the movable a. Goat is koza. The goat effortlessly jumps across the rocks. Koza skače po stijenama bez napora. Koza is in the nominative case. There are 2 goats on the farm that give delicious milk. Na farmi imaju dvije koze koje daju ukusno mlijeko. The plural koze is in the genitive case. Even though koze is plural, in this instance, as there are less than 4, the singular genitive form is used. Pig is svinja. Pigs are intelligent animals. Svinje su inteligentne životinje. Svinje is plural in the nominative case. And our last sentence, there are 10 pigs on the farm that are growing quickly. Na farmi ima 10 svinja koje rastu brzo. The plural svinje becomes svinja in the genitive case. So we hope these sentences help you to see some different forms of these words you are likely to encounter, and to help you identify word ending changes.